Looking for top-notch care in the Triangle area? Check out Black Diamond Chiropractic and Sports Performance. Whether you're dealing with stubborn back or neck pain, or you're an athlete in need of a specialized sports chiropractor, we've got you covered. Our treatments focus on everything from chiropractic adjustments to massage therapy and stretching, helping you achieve peak performance and relieve discomfort. Conveniently serving Apex, Holly Springs, and Cary, we're here to support your wellness journey. Interested? Call for more info and let's get you feeling your best.